We have become data-driven. So when you can put quantitative data behind performance, that's great for an athlete, that's great for someone just coming into the gym. Proteus makes you a better trainer, and by becoming a better trainer, Proteus makes the clients better clients. We found it through my son. He was watching Quarterback on Netflix, and he called me and said, "You got to check out this machine. Patrick Mahomes is using it."
Proteus Motion is a sports science lab in a box. The original idea was from our founder, Sam. It's actually his dad's brainchild back when he was at MIT in the 90s. So using the fundamentals of what his dad had built, Sam had created a new prototype using all of the latest and greatest electronics, and software technology really caught up to Sam's father's idea. The hardware takes a lot of CAD. I worked with a few different vendors, and ultimately SOLIDWORKS was always kind of the best choice.
We spent some time researching it and realized this was something for our facility that could help all the way through the chain. We have athletes that are learning power workouts to help their performance, and then we have rehab aspect on it that we are able to measure their progression. It really incorporates your whole body.
We have patented 3D resistance. Anytime you move the machine, it directly opposes your motion. So it's important for a few reasons. We've proven that the muscle activation you get from a three-dimensional resistance compared to existing methods produces much more efficient and more effective muscle activation, giving you a more efficient workout.
You can now take that workout plan, and as a trainer, you can work with that athlete or that individual 2 or 3 times and then give them that independence that they can work as well. Now you're training with a purpose for yourself.
I really like when people actually get on it and they feel it and they're like, oh, actually this feels way different. Designing that experience and making it so much different than anything they're used to was a huge draw for us, and making it smoother, more durable, feel better, get more engaging to the customers, get more engaging to clients. It was a really unique experience designing this. 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS has some nice tools like figuring out where the center of masses are, figuring out how heavy things are, and then using simulations to then drive. That's probably the biggest draw for how 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS made us make this machine experientially better.
It's intriguing, it's exciting. Obviously, when you have high-level athletes using it, you gotta realize there's some kind of value there. We sat down and looked at the science behind it, looked at the research behind it, and we just kept coming back to the same conclusion that Proteus was the right machine for us.
The speed to market that SOLIDWORKS allowed us really helped us get to the position we are now. But really getting the product correct and getting it done quickly, there is no other platform other than SOLIDWORKS that could have done that for us.